Welcome back, everybody, to It's a Teacher Thing from Tales of a Sixth Grade Teacher. That's me, Michelle Higdon. I'm rocking my Harry Potter look right now. I got the Harry Potter hat, the Harry Potter jacket. It's not Harry Potter shirt, but that's okay. And I am back with another tutorial video for you. This is one I think is great. It's a really good tool for e-learning as well. It's one I've used in the classroom. It's one that I'm going to use, with some e-learning in the next weeks or so, not months, just weeks. We're going back eventually. Holding out hope. And what it is it is called Edpuzzle. You may be familiar with Edpuzzle, but if you're not, where you been? Edpuzzle is a it is a site that takes videos and it can, you can shorten them, you can use clips, and the best part is you can embed questions in the video so that the students they have questions to answer as they go. Because, sometimes you put in a super thrilling documentary about malaria and kids just yawn, snooze. It's, sleep time. We've all been there. Hello, video day. Can I say snooze day? But this way, it actually involves and requires them to watch and participate. So you're going to go to edpuzzle.com. You can see that link up here, and as always, it'll be linked on the resource page. And you're going to want to sign up. So you're going to click the blue button that says sign up. And then you're going to click I'm a teacher. And again, my spiel. You're going to want to click sign. Okay, so sign in with Google. If you have a Google account, you're going to click sign in with Google. That's just what you're going to do because, again, it's up to you. Do you want to remember 8 majillion passwords? You do? You want a different password for everything? Edpuzzle 01, Google Classroom 01, Google something else 01? Then okay, you do you. I always click sign in with Google. But if you click sign up with Edpuzzle, it'll have you put in all of your information and go from there. I already have an account, so I'm going to click log in. I'm a teacher. Sign in with Google, my Googly, and here I am on Edpuzzle. So this is everything that's been created by teachers who do social studies in my class that I follow. So you've got my PLC peeps. Shout out to Kamesho and Sloan. You guys rock. You have videos that are trending from social studies because I've put in my settings that I do social studies. So it automatically shows me social studies videos. South Carolina trending videos trending in the United States, just different things like that. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to My Classes. And you can add your classes over here on the left. So you'll see I have all 4 of my classes from my Google Classroom automatically uploaded. And I'll show you the benefits and beautifulness of that later. But if you don't have any classes, you're going to need to click on this Add New Class button. And you're going to you can either create a class from scratch, or if you are a Google Classroom school, you'll just automatically go with Google Classroom, and you'll just select all the classes you want to import. So you'll see my 4 already there. I can add my Google Classroom tutorial class. That's what I've used for a lot of these videos, and I would just click import classes. And there it is. So there's no assignments yet. There's no due date, but I do have 2 students. Shout out to Womack and shout out to Xander. And they show up over here. So I'll show you what you're going to want to do with classes later, but this is just, this is the awesomeness that it is. So we're going to go back to content. Okay. There's one way that you can look. Let's say you want to show a video on phone. Leave me alone. Let's say you want to you're doing, the World War II. World War II. You can go up here to the search bar and you can type World War II and click search. And it'll bring you anything that's already in Edpuzzle on World War II. So you can see you've got some crash course videos. These are ones that are already locked in to Edpuzzle. So you can see the title, Unit 12 Review, World War II, Part 1. It's 13 minutes and 26 seconds long. And this person has 10 questions embedded into that video. So if you click on the video, you can preview it. You can look at the questions are all multiple choice and how far apart they are. But you can also see that 2,359 people have taken this video and done their own version. So you're like, I don't really like those questions. Let me see what Justin Unruh has done. I don't really like his. Let's see what Melissa Pfeiffer has done. So, because really, why reinvent the wheel? If it's already there and if it's already there and it's actually good, use it. And so you'll see over here, let's say this is the one I want. I want to assign this one. You can edit it, which would allow you to snip it down, edit the questions. You can add a voiceover. You can add more questions. Edit is just kind of something that just helps you to make the video, because like I teach 6th grade. 13 and a half minutes is a long time. Plus, you will figure in at least a minute, maybe 2 per question. I've got to sneeze. And that's a 30-minute assignment. That's kind of long. So maybe you want to watch the whole thing and then chunk it. And then whenever you're done editing, you just click finish. And then when you're ready, you're like, yeah, this is what I want to assign to my classes. You will click Mama can't talk right now. Mom wants to talk. Hey, I'm recording a video. Can I call you back? Bye. Mom said hi. So you're ready? You're ready to send it to your kids. That's what you're going to do is you can click assign. It's just like in the classroom when you have something you want to assign to the kids. So you click assign and you pick your class. I'm going to assign this to my Google Classroom tutorial class. I'm going to assign it to start today, but you can, whatever day you assign it is the day it's going to start. So if you want it to be a video they view next Monday, then you would change the start date to next Monday and go from there. And you can assign a due date. You can prevent skipping, so the kids can't just like click and go all the way to the end and say, I'm done, I'm finished. Liar. You can turn on closed captions if you want, and then I always say to post on Google Classroom, and it'll just automatically post it straight with a link to Edpuzzle. Isn't that great? And then you just click assign. It's that easy. And I'll show you a few more things before we just kind of wrap up. But we'll go back to Edpuzzle. So there are different ways to search. That's the number one way to search. Up there is just a topic you're looking for. You know exactly what topic you want to teach. Boom, there you go. Edpuzzle, you're done. Another way you can do it is you can click over here on curriculum, and then you can search by elementary, middle, and high school. So let's say middle school, view content. I want world languages content. I want Chinese content. I want, again, maybe we'll learn Chinese during that e-learning. Good Lord, maybe we really will learn Chinese. Conversational Mandarin. Ooh, I'm going to learn Chinese. Sorry, I'm going to learn Chinese. And then these are videos that you can look at, you can edit, you can add questions, etc. So maybe, during e-learning, maybe some of your kids might enjoy learning Chinese. So post them a video every day. Let's learn Chinese. Heads up, kids, I'm getting ready to do that. So that's curriculum. Then you can look at videos that have been uploaded from teachers in your school. So in other subject areas, not just in social studies. You can look at my content, which is where anything that I have done throughout my time using Edpuzzle is kept. And then the cool thing about Edpuzzle is that you can find videos from other platforms. So let's say there's a video learning about maps. It's for kindergarten, okay? And pay no attention to the weird sock puppet man. But let's say I like this video a lot. I want to share it out through Edpuzzle to my kids so that I can embed questions. So it's called Learn About Maps. So I go back to Edpuzzle. I type in Learn About Maps. There it is. I click on it. There's 100 video versions. I don't even have to make my own. If I wanted to make my own, I would go over to Edit and I would make my own. But I could just say, "Hi, Teresa Mihan, what have you done?" And I'll just go to her. She's got 2 multiple choice questions. Great. We'll use that. Then you just, again, click assign. I'm going to assign it to Google Classroom tutorial. We'll start today. No skipping. Post it on Google Classroom. Click assign. And then now you can also see, so it'll also show you Womack and Xander have not watched it yet. Come on, Womack and Xander. But when they watch it, it'll come over here to 100%. It'll give them a grade, say when they watched it, and whether or not they turned it in. And if we go to Google Classroom and we go to the Google Classroom tutorial, you'll see that I posted a new assignment via Edpuzzle, and it automatically will link. The kids have the link right there. Super easy to use. super user-friendly, lots of really good content, including how to learn Chinese, which I'm about to do. You can also get videos from Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, Veritasium, I don't even know what that is, Numberphile, I don't know what that is, and Crash Course. Crash Course is great if you like teach high school. But the guy, he talks like really fast like this, and he's like, oh, and you're like, huh, what? And my kids are like, huh. So, it's just a great, wonderful tool. It does have a grade book option, so you can see, how many of them have spent time on stuff, and it has all of your classes, and it's super user friendly, super easy to use. So I highly encourage you to check out Edpuzzle, just because it's a great way to show videos that are super informative and super helpful and engaging, but add up that engagement, up that feedback, up that requirement part by putting in those questions. Multiple choice questions are easiest, obviously, because it's just, is it A, B, C, D, done? Short answer is a little more difficult because you have to go in and actually check to make sure they put it right because they didn't just misspell America. But Edpuzzle is great. I encourage you to check it out. As always, if you have any questions or you need anything from me, you just let me know, and I'm here for you. I'm not the most techie savvy person when it comes to troubleshooting, but I swear I will try. I will do my best, and I have smart friends. So if I don't know it, I'll at least check and see if my smart friends know it. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see. That's Edpuzzle. I don't know what I was going to say there. Bye-bye.